side who are chasing a fourth crown. The sides around, the teams lined up as we pause for the respective national anthems. Nigeria, we hail thee, who you adopted in May 2024.